Hi, welcome to this quick code lab, and we're going to do a quick demo of how to get the permissions on a Postgres database correct. So to do this, let's first look at Postgres in our command line. So we have Postgres command line now. Now we want to check the databases that are here. So we do ls or list, and we get these databases. So we have hopscotch go dev here. So in order to ensure that hopscotch go dev has the correct users, let's actually go ahead and delete or drop the DB first. So we drop hopscotch go underscore dev. And if we do a list again, let's do a list. And you can see it did not get dropped. So let's see what's going on here. So we do drop db hopscotch go underscore dev. And it seems like there's a syntax error. So drop db Okay, so we need to drop that database. So let's go ahead and do drop database hopscotch go underscore dev. Drop database hopscotch go underscore dev. And then we do a list. And you can see that hopscotch go dev is still here. So drop database. And now it's gone. So now we need to create the database hopscotch go dev. And we need to create an owner for that database. So let's go ahead and do it by first creating the database again. So hopscotch go dev and owner hopscotch go user. So what we need to do is create the user first. So we'll say create role hopscotch go user with login password 123. And now we have that role. And now we'll say create database hopscotch go dev. And we'll say owner hopscotch go user say list. And now we have that hopscotch go dev is owned by hopscotch go user. And you can see that that makes sense. So that's how you do the assigning of the user to the database. And now if you want to connect to that, we can connect as hopscotch go user. -h localhost hopscotch go dev. So now we're connected as that user. If we do dt, we can see there's no relations, but no tables, that is. And now we can essentially do the rest of the steps, including creating the connection string. So the connection string, if we wanted to create it on the command line, would be something like export database URL equals Postgres colon hopscotch go user colon password 123 at localhost colon 5432 / hopscotch go dev. So that's the connection string. So if we say echo database URL, you can see that connection string, and that's basically the user or role colon password at machine name colon port number / database name. So that's been a quick intro to Postgres commands for databases, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.